I just got the Revel nail kit and I'm going to give it a try. It's a beautiful kit. It's a really nice box that it comes in. And what I really like about right away, they give you the directions right on the box, so you don't have to be looking for little papers or anything like that. It gives you directions, right, with illustrations, with photographs there, so you really shouldn't get lost it. So in the kit, you get the Pro Base, and then you have an activator, and then you have the finishing gel. So you have all three. Those are your important parts. You also get a dip gel thinner, and then I got all these beautiful, they're like shades of pink. And it's a really nice set. So the first direction says on here to prep your nails to make sure that you're pushing back your cuticles, buffing them, ensuring that they're completely dry, and then you're going to apply the Pro Base. So let's give that a try. Okay, so I just got finished using the Pro Base and then putting my nails into the dip. And one thing I realized is that you really got to cover your nail with that Pro Base so that the dip, sticks to it. So I think that I did pretty decent for the first time. I'm just like making sure that I don't have too much of either the Pro Base or the dip on my nail or my cuticle, because then it won't look so great. So we're up to the next step, and then we're going to put the activator on. So the directions say to coat with one layer of the activator and then wait 2 minutes and then put it on again. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, so I've already used the activator. You put it on twice. I also did some shaping and make sure that nothing was sticking to my cuticles. And the last step is the finishing gel. So let's see how that's going to turn out. Okay, so I feel like I'm done. This is the finishing gel. The finishing gel really pulls everything together. They're really sturdy, strong, and they have a nice shine to them. They have a lot of color on them. I think that I'll just get better every time I apply this gel dip. And it was really easy. I think it took me about like a half an hour from start to finish to get them all done. So I can't wait to give it a try again. But for now, I think they look really great.